Hello student, this is Rohit Upadhyay, computer teacher at Mount Utra Z School, Jhansi. Student, in this video we are going to discuss about the printer. Now we're going to discuss about some printers. First is dot matrix printer. This printer prints characters that form characters and all kinds of images as a patterns of dot. ये dot की form में characters को print करता है. It prints many special characters, different size of prints and graphics such as charts and graphs. इसको भी ये print कर सकता है. Impact printer can be used for generating multiple copies by using carbon paper or its equivalent. Slow with a speed usually ranging between 30 to 600 characters per second, and cheap in both initial cost and cost of operation. दोनों ही कॉस्ट, प्रिंटर की कॉस्ट और इससे इमेज प्रोड्यूस या इससे आउटपुट निकालने की जो कॉस्ट, दोनों कॉस्ट होती है वो काफ़ी चीप होती है. नेक्स्ट इज इंकजेट प्रिंटर. इंकजेट प्रिंटर prints characters that form characters or all kind of images by spraying small drops of inks on the paper. inkjet printer पर जो पेपर है वो नोजल के थ्रू इंक ड्रॉप करता है. Print head contains up to 64 tiny nozzles that can be selectively heated up in the few microseconds by an integrated circuit registers. कंट्रोल यूनिट क्या करती है, इन सर्किट रजिस्टर्स को कंट्रोल करती है, कमांड करती है, एंड देन दीज टाइनी नोजल्स जो हैं वो कलर्स को ड्रॉप करते हैं पेपर पर एंड कैरेक्टर्स प्रिंट होते हैं. To print a character, the printer selectively heats the appropriate set of nozzles as the print head moves horizontally. It can print many special characters, different size of prints and graphics such as charts and graphs. Now you can see the image of inkjet printer. This is non-impact printer, hence they cannot produce multiple copies of a document in a single printing. Can be both monochrome and color. ये कलरफुल भी हो सकता है और ब्लैक एंड वाइट भी होता है. It slower than dot matrix printer with speeds usually ranging between 40 to 300 characters per second. More expensive than a dot matrix printer. Next is drum printers. Drum printer basically a type of line printers that print one line at a time, have a solid cylindrical drum with characters embossed on its surface in the form of circular bands. Set of hammers. Next is drum printers. Drum printers basically a type of line printers that prints one line at a time. It have a solid cylindrical drum with characters embossed on its surface in the form of circular bands. Set of hammers mounted in front of the drum in such a manner that an inked ribbon and paper can be placed between the hammers and the drum. It can only print a predefined set of characters in a predefined style that is embossed on the drum. किसी स्पेशल पर्पस के लिए इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं हम लोग ड्रम प्रिंटर को, क्योंकि कुछ स्पेशल फॉन्ट साइज में कुछ स्पेशल फॉन्ट्स ही इसमें एम्बोस्ड होते हैं, तो केवल वही प्रिंट होते हैं. इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर्स आर यूजुअली मोनोक्रोम, सिर्फ स्पेसिफिक कलर्स में ही ये डिस्प्ले होते हैं. टिपिकल स्पीड्स आर इन द रेंज ऑफ 300 to 2000 लाइन्स पर मिनट. Here you can see the picture of drum printer and its mechanism. Here you can see the special character which is written in a special font and a special size, which is embossed on the drum, and you can see the hammer on the drum. When paper rolled and the selective font size and font color on that hammer start hammering, so the character start to print on the paper. Next is laser printer. Laser printer that print one page at a time. This is a type of page printer. It consists of a laser beam source, a multi-sided mirror, a photoconductive drum and toner, which is a tiny particles of oppositely charged ink. And to print a page, the laser beam is focused on the electrostatically charged drum by the spinning multi-sided mirror. toner sticks on to the drum in the places the laser beam has charged the drum's surface. Toner is then permanently fused on the paper with heat and pressure to generate the printer output. Laser printer produce very high quality output having resolutions in the range of 600 to 1200 dpi. सो लेज़र प्रिंटर जो है वो काफ़ी फास्ट होते हैं, हाई ग्राफिक्स प्रिंट करते हैं. इनका जो स्पीड है वो 600 to 1200 dpi मीन्स डॉट्स पर इंच होता है. They can print many special characters, different size of prints and graphics such as charts and graphs. This is a type of non-impact printers जो noise produce नहीं करते हैं. Most laser printers are monochrome, but color laser printer are also available. Low speed laser printer can print 4 to 12 pages per minute, and very high speed laser printer can print 500 to 1000 pages per minute, more expensive than other printers. I hope now you can understand each and everything about printer. In next video we'll start discussing some advanced type of output device. So thank you, have a nice day.